What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick tutorial. It's going to be how to make this cinematic font on a free application on iOS and Android devices. So the first thing you want to do here is open the app, go to projects, and open any photo you would like to work with. After that, go ahead and go to text and then select Deadhead. If Deadhead font is not selected, then go ahead and install it. The font is actually free. Once you're done typing in your text, go ahead and click the check mark and you're going to be greeted with this little font style. And we're going to go ahead over here. Once we're done with that, we're actually going to add a shadow to this street photography text over here. So that way you can actually give it a nice little pop. At first you might not say anything, so that's why we're going to go to opacity and put it all the way to 100%. And this is where I'm going to choose the color. So since I like choosing the red shadow font, then I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Once we're done changing the shadow color, we're actually going to change the main color, which is going to be turned to yellow to give that a nice cinematic type style font. Alright guys, and that does it for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And also follow me on Instagram at R4S. Alright guys, have a great day. Peace out.